In this video, we will take an in-depth look at the different operation modes available with EZmotion's all-in-one servos and how to set them up using the MotionLAB GUI. These are a few of the common operation modes that are available. In this video, we will focus on speed control. Speed control refers to regulating the output speed of the motor by providing the desired speed parameter. Check out the other videos in this series for more information on the other operation modes. Before proceeding, make sure that you are using the correct design file and that your servo motor is communicating with MotionLAB. To get started, click on the Motion Test tab located on the left side of the screen. Under Control Mode, use the drop-down arrow to select Speed Mode. Enter the reference speed parameter in RPM units, then click Update. You can also change the acceleration and deceleration profile by clicking the Motion Profile button. To energize the motor, toggle the Enable button. The motor will begin to spin in a counterclockwise direction. The blue line on the scope indicates the actual speed of the servo motor. Modify the reference speed and click Update to send the new target speed to the motor. The scope window will reflect this change in motor speed. To rotate the motor in the opposite direction, enter a negative speed parameter, then click Update. To stop or disable the motor, toggle the same slider button used to enable the motor. To modify the acceleration settings, click the Motion Profile button. Let's increase it tenfold for this example. After entering the new value, click OK. Then click Update and enable the motor. We can see the difference in the motor's acceleration from our previous acceleration settings. You can also revert to the default acceleration and view the slope comparison by pausing the scope window. The acceleration slope with higher acceleration settings is steeper, indicating the motor accelerates quicker to reach the target speed. To resume the scope, right-click on the scope window and select Run Stop. To learn more, visit EZmotion.co. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to get the latest on our innovative motion control solutions.